Hi guys, this is Zay. We are back at it again. Today we are exploring this place. It's called Aanachadi something, and this place is so amazing. So let's talk with Abel. What you got to say about this place? Abel, what do you want to say about this place?
It's a place we found snakes from that
Snakes?
place.
Oh my God!
We do. I'm going to swim under place.
No, there are a lot of rocks in there. You're gonna hit in the rocks and bleed.
Can you stand here?
Yeah, I'm standing.
Alright. I'll show you. I'm going to reach here. I'm going to go under and going to reach there, okay?
Alright, go ahead. What's this guy thinking about? This guy thinks like he's the greatest swimmer in the whole world. You made it? Yeah, let's go closer to the waterfall.
Let's go.
Alright, I'm gonna go closer to that waterfall. Look how horrible and scary and beautiful it is. Say hi. So there's a little champ here. He's also coming after me. Woo! This is pretty deep in here. A lot of people are enjoying this place, but it's pretty early, so there's not much visitors here. A little visitors, like 20 people. Oh, she's drowning. She's acting like she's drowning. Alright, bye guys. She's drowning. I gotta rescue her. Bye bye.